Good evening, and welcome to Heartbeat News. As anticipation builds for President-elect Donald Trump's inauguration on January 20th, 2025, corporate America is making its mark with substantial contributions to support the historic occasion. Leading the way, aerospace giant Boeing and tech innovator Google have each pledged $1 million. They are joined by a host of other prominent companies, including Meta, Amazon, Chevron, Ford, and more, reflecting the importance of this moment in American democracy. These donations will fund various inauguration events, from the official swearing-in ceremony to the parade and celebratory inaugural balls. Here's a breakdown of the contributions by sector. As you can see, Boeing and Google lead with $1 million contributions each. Meta and Chevron follow closely with $750,000, while companies like Amazon, Ford, and Microsoft also make significant contributions. These donations underscore the business sector's commitment to fostering relationships with the new administration, but they also raise questions about the influence of corporate money in politics. Supporters view these contributions as an investment in stability and progress, while critics warn of potential implications for policymaking. As the countdown to this historic day continues, Heartbeat News will provide comprehensive coverage of all the events, along with expert analysis and real-time updates. Thank you for joining us tonight. For more updates, stay tuned to Heartbeat News, where we bring you closer to the stories that matter. Good night.